Hello, everyone. So, if you caught my most recent live, you saw the good news. So, yes, your girl is finally, and I'm not going to really even say finally like that because honestly, this happened fast. I put a goal in place. My goal was by my birthday, November 1st, but I said I wanted to go up sooner than that because I was like, heck, I can try to get a check November 21st, right? Which we never know. It still could happen, might not happen. We'll see. But I just wanted to go ahead and put in that work. So I was thinking too, okay, if I fully want to be getting paid by November 1st, which would be a check December 21st, I need to get mine before because it takes YouTube has to, people were saying have to send you this letter and stuff, which you see on my live, I didn't have to do any of that. So I'm not sure if it's going to be later, if it's for me to get paid. I'm still kind of like, so I really got to research it some more. If you guys know, please comment below. Am I supposed to be looking for a letter from YouTube that they're going to mail to me and I have to enter in some code? So I don't know if that's from Google AdSense, and then I don't know because I already had a Google AdSense account set up from when I was doing advertisements on my website. I don't know if that's why I don't need the code. So I'm going to do a little bit more research. But y'all, I am super excited. I am super thankful and grateful to all of you guys. I'm trying to finish this laundry. My son laid back down to take a nap this morning. He's been up early because he was coughing and stuff. So gave him a breathing treatment and then just let him play a little bit. And he went back to sleep. And I was cooking breakfast on live this morning and just posted some stuff. And yeah, so I'm folding these clothes. I just put the last load in the dryer. So we're gonna go vote and then go pick up his Halloween costume so we can go to this special needs event this afternoon. But y'all, I'm so excited. I am so excited. Like the feeling I have, which is crazy because I don't really know how this is gonna go. I don't know how much money I'm going to make, but what I do know is I accomplished the first step. Well, actually the second step. The first step, let me get to 500. Well, 3 steps. Let me get to the watch hours. Let me get to 500 subscribers, and I did all that. So I'm very, very excited, very proud of myself, even though at one point I felt like I was just sitting at 836 subscribers. And I was like, dang, what is going on? I started doubting whether I was going to be able to reach my goal. I was like, well, in my head, putting up all these excuses. Well, maybe your goal was just a little too aggressive. Maybe you weren't realistic, just giving myself excuses. And I had to be like, no, you got to get the rest of these subscribers. You know how to get these subscribers. Show up on camera. You're going to hear the comments about your teeth, but at the end of the day, your goal is to get your teeth fixed. So don't even worry about that. Don't let these negative comments, negative people deter you from getting on, showing up. Voiceovers are great and stuff, but people love to see people. People want to connect with you. And I'm so grateful because I have, oh my goodness, the greatest people in the comments. We not doing negativity. They'll keep it rolling, keep it positive. So it's all good, but I'm building that community. I am building that community, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. I'm so thankful. Like the channel, is here. We connecting, building. I'm going to keep continuing to put out content. The community garden, you'll see little snippets of me raising my son. You will see, I'm not going to show too much of my son. I'm not going to show everything because we still have some personal things, and this is what when it's on the internet, it's out there forever, right? And I always conduct myself responsibly and respectfully as well. But yeah, we're gonna do the teeth. You guys are gonna see me get my teeth fixed. You guys are about to see us move. You're gonna see the new how we decorate for Christmas. Y'all gonna be on this, and I want to see what y'all got going on too. We're gonna be in this together because I appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. Y'all see how much laundry I have to do? And it's just me and my baby. This is a lot of laundry, right? But I thank y'all a lot. I just was super excited. So if you go ahead and catch the live, you can go fast forward. You don't have to watch the whole thing. But if you fast forward to minute 38, and you will see my actual reaction. I didn't realize I was going to be so emotional doing it. Like, I'm already a crybaby, but I just didn't realize, especially on live, that I was going to be that emotional, crying, and just like my emotions overcame. And like I said, I haven't made a dime. Well, people have been sending me like super stickers, super chats. I have to figure out what they're actually called. So I did get that on the live as well. So I'm very thankful. Somebody sent me $10. Like, thank you so much. You know, it was an amazing feeling. It's just amazing when people want the best for you. People want you to win. They're cheering you on, you know, like, girl, go ahead, keep going, do this, do that, you got this, you know. So I'm super, super just thankful and grateful. One person said, she was like, it's so good to see that you're so appreciative of it. You dang all right. I am very appreciative of it because, baby, it could be something totally different, something, you know, but no, I'm thankful. God is good. Like, he is so good. I'm going to keep putting out this content. I'm going to keep showing up. I got to get back to really showing up on TikTok Shop, getting the merchandise sold, and just doing different things. I got to create this content for this vacuum cleaner. I got stuff to do, goals to meet. And, you know, TikTok with YouTube, I understand I'm going to have to wait until, you know, once a month to get paid. But there's no excuse for me not showing up on TikTok Shop because I can get paid every day. I can get paid every day on TikTok Shop. Once you start, you know, promoting and someone purchase every day, after the first 10 days, next thing you know, you pretty much getting paid every day. So there's no excuse for me not showing up doing that. I have no excuse. Like I tell everyone, you know, you got to get out of your own way. You got to show up. You got to do it. If I start going live on TikTok, child, sky's the limit, right? But I just wanted to thank y'all. I appreciate you so much. And I'm not just saying it. I really do appreciate you guys for subscribing, engaging every comment. I try to respond to all the comments. You know, I'll scroll through on my phone, or I'll comment once I put my son to bed at night. I'll get on the computer because it's easier for me to just go ahead and type them while I'm at work. You know, on my breaks and stuff, I'll go ahead and respond. But I do want to make sure y'all know I thank y'all. I appreciate you. Every comment you leave, every like, every share, that makes a huge impact. Not just on me, but on my son and his future. If you want to send a super sticker, if you want to join a membership, if you want to send a super sticker, super chat, membership, a Cash App, of course, all that's gratefully appreciated. But I know we all face in times of challenging. So just the simple things that you can do that are free by liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. Those things make a huge impact. It pushes me out in the algorithm so other people can see my videos. It helps. So again, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And again, I thank y'all, and I'm glad that you guys are coming on this journey with me. You will be seeing me move into my temporary home, and then I hope y'all stay on this journey long enough to see me move into my next home, purchase my next home. Right now, I'm about to go ahead and rent. So then go ahead and watch me purchase. And then I hope y'all enjoy my dental journey, which starts in January. Getting my dental work. That's something I've been putting back. I was going to start it so long ago. And then 7 years ago, I had my son at 23 weeks, you know, and that just ended up back on the back burner. And it's something I've been wanting to do. It's something I'm self-conscious about, but I'm showing up regardless. You guys will see me go ahead and be going to the community garden on Saturdays. And if we get this house, when we get this house, not if, when we get this, like I said, if you watch the previous video, I feel like number one is going to be it. But when we get it, we're going to do like a little small garden in that backyard. But the community garden is going to be for us to give out to other women fresh vegetables and fruit, so they can have access to it. Then you guys are going to see me, you know, just living my life, growing, helping other women grow, motivating other women. And I'm just thankful. I'm very thankful. I'm still kind of like, we did it. We did it. So I'm still in like this moment, but thank y'all very much. I really do appreciate it. And without y'all, I wouldn't be able to do it. Without y'all, I would not be able to do it. So again, thank you.